6 minus 3 is equals 3. Here 4 minus 2 which equals 2. Then 6 times 2 is just 6. Okay, but this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation PEMDAS, first we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority. We have to work from left to right. The same is applies to addition and subtraction. This expression, there is one parenthesis, and here multiplication, and here subtraction. Okay. Therefore, according to PEMDAS, first we have to do this parenthesis. Next, this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. If we do this subtraction before this parenthesis or this multiplication, it is wrong. Okay. Therefore, according to PEMDAS, first we have to do this parenthesis. 4 minus 2 which equals 2. Then 6 minus 3 times 2. Okay. 2 which equals to 6, because this multiplication has higher priority than this subtraction according to PEMDAS, because multiplication comes before subtraction. Then 6 minus 6. 6 minus 6 which equals to 0. This is the correct answer of this problem. Okay, therefore the correct answer of this problem is equals to 0.